What if I told you that there are some real websites where people are getting paid every day just by working online? Regardless of where we come from, you could, being an African, being an Arab or Latin America, these websites are very welcome for everyone. So they are not scams and they do not give fake promises. They are real platforms where beginners can start working just from home. Okay, in this video I am going to show you 10 websites that pay you to work online, and some of them require no experience to start, just a skill you're selling, the internet, and you're eager to work. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video until the end, because I will also show you which website is best for beginners and where you could start from as a beginner online. Okay, welcome to the Digital Mom, where we help you build digital skills and create better opportunities online. So without taking much of your time, let us start by first looking why websites matters, why this platform really matters. Before we go into the list, let me explain you something very important, something that have helped me, and I am very sure that it has even helped more people than I could ever imagine. Many people want to work online but don't know where to find opportunities. So these websites act like the bridge. They act like the trail line between you and the clients or companies who are looking for online workers, who are looking for online helpers to help them do or deliver a certain service. Okay, so these websites, they act as a bridge between you and the clients or companies. They help you to find jobs, to offer services, and to get paid securely. Yes, you get it very well. They help you even to get paid securely, so you don't have to wonder if you are going to meet the scammer customers, because these websites, they are going to give you a truth that you are going to be paid, and this is real thing. It's not scam. Okay, so let's start with our number one website. The first website I'm going to talk about is Upwork. This is one of the most popular freelancing platform, and it is the most giving clients online. You can find jobs like writing here on Upwork. You can find jobs like virtual assistants on Upwork, and the virtual assistants on Upwork, they really make a good amount of income. They really make a good amount of money on Upwork. They can give you job about design and data entry. So if you are thinking to go to Upwork, think of these 4 jobs. Yes, you could even find other jobs, but mostly these are the 4 that you could find on Upwork. Writing, which also include copywriting, virtual assistants, design, data entry. These are the main 4 jobs that you could find on Upwork. So clients post job here and you apply, and you could secure an interview very easily on Upwork. Okay, the website number 2 is Fiverr. And this is really, really favorable for Africans, for people in EMEA. EMEA, this is Europe, Middle East, and Middle East Africa. Okay, Fiverr is best for people in our region, in Eastern region, in Europe, and Middle East. Okay, on Fiverr, you can create services and clients come to you. This is the best part of Fiverr. Fiverr also it acts like it's going to give you a platform to market yourself, to market, what you could offer to the clients, so that the clients see the product that you're bringing on the market, so they could buy it. Examples of the products you could make on Fiverr is logo design. Yes, designing logos. Writing also is there on Fiverr, and social media posts. It's good for beginners because it gives you a space and a room to start small. Okay, consider Fiverr too. Okay, the website number 3, it is Freelancer. Freelancer is similar to Upwork. What you do on the job you could find on Upwork is the same job that you're going to find on Freelancer platform. You buy it on a project and get hired by the clients. You just apply for the certain project, or you just give a proposal to the client on Freelancer website, and then you get hired by the clients. Okay, the 4th website, it is People Per Hour. And this one, it is very nice for people in IT industry, for those who give the QA services, for those who give the design services, and other jobs that are relating to IT industry. So the people per hour, it's a freelancing platform with hourly jobs and project-based work. Here on the people per hour platform, you just do the job within a certain period of time they give you. It will be an hour, it will be a day, but it is counted within hours. So people freelance on platform with hourly jobs and project-based work, okay? The website number 5, it is remote job boards. Yes, you got it very well. Remote job boards. Websites that list remote jobs are so many. Here they list a lot of remote jobs like customer support, like virtual assistants, like data entry. Mainly these are the 3 that you could be find on remote job board. If you are a person looking for an opportunity that lies within customer support, within virtual assistance, within data entry, I could recommend you that you go look on remote jobs other than other websites. Okay, these are very great for people who are looking for structured jobs. If you are looking for a 9 to 5 job, this is where I could recommend you to go. Okay, yes, the website number 6, it is Clickworker. Clickworker. Yes, you got it very well. Clickworker. This is a platform for small online tasks like data entry, like research, like simple digital tasks. Not more much of the technicalities here. You just simple jobs like data entry, like research, like simple digital tasks. So it is also good for beginners because it doesn't require to have a lot of knowledge. It just requires to have simple soft skills that you could offer. Website number 7, it is Rev. Here at Rev, you can earn money by transcription and captioning. Rev only deal with these 2, captioning and transcription. Okay, it is good for people with good listening skills. If you are a good listener, you just go for Rev. Rev needs you. Okay, another website, it is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Yes, you got it very well. This offers micro tasks such as surveys and small data tasks. Amazon Mechanical Turk, it is very nice because it doesn't require you to do a lot of interviews. If you have shown what you could do, maybe the survey you have done, you have a higher chance of getting hired on Amazon Mechanical Turk. So if you're looking for opportunities that is lying within surveys and small data tasks, go for Amazon Mechanical Turk. Okay, website number 9, it is Gulu. Gulu also is another forensic platform. It works like freelancers. The forensic platform where you can find different jobs and types of jobs, then you could apply for it, then you could have a time for an interview, you pitch, then if you get a chance, of course you go for it. Okay, website number 10, it is LinkedIn. Yes, LinkedIn. Not just for networking, but also on LinkedIn, you can find some remote jobs, some freelancing opportunities, and some business connections just from the posts that are moving around within the LinkedIn. So tell me which website that you are thinking to start with. But if you're a beginner, I could recommend you that you could start with Upwork or Fiverr. This is because Upwork and Fiverr is giving a lot of the opportunities to the beginners because it helped them to expose what they could do, to expose their work, to expose their drafts. So if you are just starting, start with Fiverr or Upwork because they have many beginner opportunities, because you can grow your experience from Fiverr and Upwork, and you can build a long-term client on Fiverr and Upwork. This is not to restrict you from other platforms, but this is to show you which exactly is best for you as a beginner, which exactly could help you market your small skills that you've grabbed as a beginner. Okay, so don't just sign up and wait. You just need to learn a skill, as I told you from the beginning of this series of online work hack. Learn a skill, create a strong profile, then apply consistently. Success online requires effort and patience. It's not something that you would wake up one morning and then you find yourself making it. Okay, it requires you effort and patience. So if you found this video very helpful for you, like this video, Comment in the comment section which website will you try first. Let me know so that I could give you a better guidance. And do not forget to subscribe to the Digital Mom. And if you want to learn more about how to start freelancing step by step, watch the next video on this channel. I am going to drop on Wednesday. So see you Wednesday with love from the Digital Mom. Bye.